Hey guys, it's Sarah. Welcome back to my channel and today's tutorial. Today's video is going to be how I made this little Yzma potion display. I did make this primarily from Dollar Tree supplies, so it is very cost effective, very cute, and is just, I think it looks really cute for Halloween, but it could also just be out all year round, let's be real. So if you guys are interested in how I made this little Yzma inspired potion display, then just keep watching.
So starting out, I found this wooden plaque. I actually picked up like 5 of these just because they're so good for DIYs. This is like solid wood. I did decide to paint it black, and originally I tried acrylic paint, but if you guys can see, I'll give you a close-up in a minute. It's just very sheer and see-through, and it was probably going to take me like 5 coats. So I switched over to using chalk paint. If you guys have been with my channel for a while, you know I'm just a firm believer in just using chalk paint because it only takes 1 coat and it has a really nice matte finish, which I like. But basically I just painted the entire thing, front, back, sides, and then this is what it looked like with the chalk paint. For the actual bottles, I picked up I actually picked up 4 different sizes, but I thought I wasn't going to use the 4th size. It's like the teeny tiniest one. All of these are from Dollar Tree, and you can also get these at Hobby Lobby, but they are a little bit more pricey, so I would definitely check your Dollar Tree. And they come in like packs of 6. And then the littlest ones I think come in a pack of 8 maybe. But you get a lot of them for $1. And then I'm taking some Dollar Tree hair gel, I'm putting it into this gallon bag, and then I'm adding 2 drops of pink food coloring. I'm going to zip this up, and then I'm going to mix this in order to make that kind of like hot pink color of the potion that is in the movie. This is almost identical to the way that I made the Hades potion bottle, if you guys saw that tutorial. If you haven't, I will have it linked above and below. But I did make the little potion that Pain and Panic feed to Hercules in Hercules. But basically what you do is snip off the edge of your plastic bag, and this kind of turns it into one of those like pastry frosting bags almost. So if you have those actually work a little bit better because they're already pointed. And then you got to kind of twist it to where it's really skinny and put it into the bottle, and then you just squeeze the hair gel into the bottle. The tinier ones were definitely a little bit harder. The bigger ones were like no problem at all. So just take your time and just know that you might have to clean it up a little bit, but it's hair gel. It's really not a big deal if it gets outside the bottle. And if you get any air bubbles, you can just tap it down on your desk or your table, and then that'll make the hair gel kind of slide down. Now for the phrase that I'm putting on it, I kind of went back and forth on what to put on it, and I landed on, or I'll just poison him with this. Part of me does kind of wish that I had put, or to save on postage, I'll poison him with this, because that's the actual line, but it was too long. I did cut this out on my silhouette, and I will have the font that I used in the description box below for you guys. But I just cut it out of my silhouette, and I'm just adding it on. If you don't have a die cut machine, no Cricut or Silhouette, you can always use stickers. This is the exact same process as using stickers. You could also use a stencil and just stencil the letters on. Dollar Tree has a really great array of stickers, and then all you have to do afterward is just Mod Podge it on. And I would definitely suggest this step, especially if you're doing stickers, just because it really does help them stay on for long term. I'm just using some matte Mod Podge from the Dollar Tree, and I just put it directly on. I paint it over all the letters and all of the front. It gives it a nice matte finish, but also gives those letters a really good adhesion. Is that a word? Adhesion to the board. Now to actually attach the corks into the bottle, I am just hot gluing them in. If you are nervous about it, or if this is getting packed away, then I would definitely do some stronger glue, maybe some E6000 and hot glue. I just did the hot glue, and those corks were not coming out. But again, if you're nervous about it, maybe do a really strong glue in addition to the hot glue. And then I just laid my potion bottles out to see where I wanted them and how I liked them. And then to attach them, I am actually going to use E6000 and hot glue. This was something that was really important to me. I just didn't want them to be able to pop off of this board because I was worried about my girls trying to take them off. So I'm just using a little bit of E6000 and then some hot glue. If you guys haven't seen me do this on my channel before, the reason I do both glues is because hot glue provides like an immediate bond to where that E6000 has some time to dry. If you guys don't know what E6000 is, by the way, it's just like a really strong super glue. You could also use super glue. The Dollar Tree does sell it, and I think it would work the exact same way. But yeah, I'm just applying both of those glues in order to provide an immediate hold as well as a long-term hold. And then I do allow it to dry, but it really doesn't take that long to dry. And that does it for this tutorial. I think this came out so cute. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring that bell so that you don't miss out on my next tutorial. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.